Service cord, AC connector, fuse, VDR, voltage dependent resistor, AC filter capacitor, filter choke, DC filter, PWM, SMPS transformer, bridge diode, optocoupler, SMPS transformer, output. Then we have processor, crystal capacitor, memory, tuning circuit or tuner, USB, connector for backlight, this one. You have the audio out, speaker. We have the VGA, HDMI, RCA video input, this one. Then you have the infrared receiver for remote control, speaker, back cover, backlight, polarizer, insulator, back cover, LCD frame lock, LCD, then T-connector. Ganun lang.
Okay.